Hi everyone. Recently I received an interesting message, fix this surface unevenness right away. Attached was a screenshot from an FTME slicer with my STL file of a car body. After analyzing the situation, I realized that the issue wasn't with the file itself, but rather with certain printing characteristics. Let's look into why the surface appears uneven. An important point, we need to understand how the surface is created in 3D printing. I'll be using the FEM slicer so you have a chance to see how it goes. Regardless of whether we use an FMEM or CELA slicer, the model is cut into layers. And because printing is layer by layer, we often see layers on the finished model. However, there are ways to reduce their visibility by adjusting the position of STL files in the slicer. By the way, you can find interesting car models on Cults 3D. On this site, there is my account with my car models. When choosing an STL model, pay attention to the presence of separate parts such as hood, bumper, and interior. This will simplify the preparation for printing. Back to printing, I rotate and elevate elements to minimize the visibility of layers on flat surfaces. I set the tilt angle to about 10 to 15 degrees to avoid visible layer lines on parts such as the roof and wings. After that, I add supports to make sure all the parts hold securely during printing. As you can see, printing at an angle helps avoid unevenness on flat surfaces. But as you might have guessed, each method has its pros and cons. The disadvantages of this method are that the printing time is increased because the car body is at an angle. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more updates. All useful links are in the profile bio and pinned comment.